Alright, this video is to help you with Activity 5.2b Geometric Constraints. So if you click on Activity 5.2b Geometric Constraints, go ahead and click on the Resources tab. And I'd go ahead and open up the Word document and go ahead and download this IDW file. So I've already done that. There's the IDW file we're going to use. Here's the Word doc. The Word document, and mainly I want to bring your attention, the only reason we're not going to do the conclusion questions for this, but I want to show you what the before will look like, which is what you have now, and then this is what the after will have for your particular geometric constraint. So let's go ahead and go into Inventor. First thing I would like you to do is let's go ahead and start looking at this. To start utilizing the sketch, the geometric constraints, I gotta go over to Sketch 1, right click, say Edit. Now here's your sketch options. So geometric constraints are working right here under the constrain panel. So I'm going to zoom in on to make perpendicular. So here's your constrain panel. So if you leave your mouse hovered over each one of them, it'll tell you what it does and kind of shows you a preview. So there's coincident, collinear, concentric, fixed, vertical, horizontal, perpendicular, parallel, tangent, smooth, symmetric, and equal. So this one here has you making perpendicular, so I'm going to click on perpendicular constraint. I click on this line and I click on the other. It'll make it perpendicular. The next one here has you making the three lines parallel to each other. I'll find the parallel constraint. So that way those are going to be made this one. This one here says dimension number, circle number 3. So which is this bigger circle right here to 2 inches. So I'm going to click dimension. Click on 2 inches to make that one. It says fix circles 1 and 2. So I'm going to click the fix option. Click on the circle. Click on the second circle to fix them. And then I'm going to make 3 tangent to 1 and 2. So I'm going to use tangent. Tangent 3 to 1. Tangent 3 to 2. And it's going to move that circle around. Same thing goes around to this one. Make this circle tangent to both lines. So circle to this line, circle to this line. So that way they're tangent to each other. Alright, last one that I'll kind of cover with you here is, this is one that usually gets confused. It says fix point C, which they're talking about the center point of the circle. So I'll click fix, choose the center of the circle, and then make endpoints A and B coincident. So I'm going to use coincident, choose point A, which is actually the end of this line, to the center, and then choose the end of B there to the center, and then that way we get that look there. Okay, the rest of this I'm going to leave to you to do the geometric constraints on. So one last thing that I'll have you do is go ahead and we'll finish the sketch. When you get this done, click on the annotate, choose the text option. I would go ahead and put your name down here. So then that way that you have your name on this when you go to turn it in. So put it down here in the bottom right hand corner. But your other geometric constraints should look just like what the after picture should look like. And then once you get done, you're going to export this as a PDF and then upload this to the Canvas assignment. So this will finish out Activity 5.2b. So if you remember, if you need a reminder on this, when you get done to export, go to File, Export, PDF. And then go ahead and save that in the practice folder, and then you'll upload that into Canvas.